Jake Ludington here at HP Discover, and I'm here with Mike and Alan from Extreme, and you guys had a big announcement yesterday. You want to talk a little bit about that?
Sure. We had a great announcement yesterday. We announced Relate. Relate is an extension of the Extreme core product. Relate is really taking the Extreme application, which has primarily served the enterprise and Fortune 1000s, and now taking that to the SMB. We've partnered with Salesforce.com so that we can take the Extreme multi-channel communication product through the Salesforce.com App Store to allow the mobile worker and the SMB to have access to this great product, which is document composition, marketing tools on the fly wherever you are. So addressing the mobile worker, mobile content.
All right, so and if I get a sense of that, so that means that I can take, as a Salesforce customer, I can take all that customer data that I have and then actually be able to add a layer of personalization so that when I'm communicating with the customers, I get a lot more granularity around how my messaging is and how consistent it is.
That is absolutely correct. It's a really neat application, and the way that we've integrated with Salesforce, which is very unique for the HP Relate product, any data that exists within the Salesforce environment, we can lay that out in a very intuitive fashion so that it can be personalized to the enterprises or the SMB's customer that they're trying to interact with.
And is this something that's going to require a crazy integration like some of the Salesforce things, or have you guys really made this fairly plug and play inside their universe?
It is plug and play. It goes in seamlessly, it's smooth. It was a great integration.
And what are kind of the core features? Are there features that are different about the relationship with Salesforce versus kind of the more enterprise level, or is this feature parity across the board?
Well, so the core product is a more robust product. It's an enterprise solution that really sits in your IT infrastructure, plugs into a lot of your CRM databases within your enterprise. With Relate, it is within the Salesforce environment, so any data that you have within the Salesforce environment is actually accessible, but some of the richer feature set that you would get with our core product, batch processing, are things that aren't in the Relate product today.
And is there any limit to the number of like customer records that are involved in that, or does it scale to millions of records?
It scales to, however big your database is, it scales to it.
And what else would you guys want us to know about Relate?
Availability this summer, easy to use. Find it on the Salesforce.com App Store. It's really addressing the greater need that the SMBs and the micro businesses have to be able to really create on-the-fly communication. So if an insurance agent came out to your house and was talking to you about a policy, they could literally now log on with their application, pull your personalized information off the Salesforce.com CRM, compose it with our engine on the cloud. So now we've taken the core product, which was an on-premise, moved it to the cloud. So it's a SaaS offering, cloud-based, integrated with Salesforce, all done behind the scenes. So it is allowing us now to take multi-channel communication, SMS, tablets, phones, paper, all of that to a brand new audience that has been asking us to bring them something to simplify their life.
So this sounds like it really is something that is going to help the SMBs be able to compete at the enterprise level.
That is absolutely correct. It's a very capable offering, which will scale their business.